Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech K380. In this video we'll check if this keyboard has dedicated app. In order to check it, let's go to Logitech Option Plus, download it for Windows 10 or later, and install the app. As you can see, the keyboard is supported by Logitech Option Plus. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.